15 trail cam photos to leave you speechless. Barrel-antlered bystander. Again, a whimsical twist captured by a trail cam. A deer wanders the woods with a barrel lodged in its antlers. Looking like a makeshift transporter, this venison turns heads with its unusual headgear. This scene, amusing and unusual, shows the unexpected side of woodland life. While deer are typically seen as graceful foragers, this one seems to have adopted a new role as a barrel bearer. A lion's moonlight chase. Caught on a trail cam, a lion tiptoes towards a white rabbit in a moonlit forest clearing. The bunny, facing the camera, seems blissfully unaware of its looming guest. Rabbits, known for their keen senses, usually dart away at the slightest hint of danger. Yet, this little hopper remains still, perhaps too engrossed in a midnight snack. Squirrel surprise landing. A flying squirrel gliding toward an unsuspecting deer. This glider, embracing its inner superhero, seems to aim for a soft landing on an unsuspecting four-legged bystander. While flying squirrels and roes don't typically interact much, this midnight meetup suggests a playful overlap in their woodland realms. Nighttime nature selfie. Caught on a trail cam, a raccoon takes center stage, striking a pose reminiscent of a selfie enthusiast while two deer graze in the background. This fisher, a creature known for its curiosity and cleverness, seems to have discovered the art of photobombing. Buffalo taxi for a sparkly-eyed cat. It's a snapshot of the forest's unexpected alliances, where two very different creatures share a peaceful moment under the stars. Squirrel startles deer in midnight snack drama. A deer bolts in alarm, startled by a flying squirrel swooping in from behind. Clown surprise in the woods. A person in full clown attire. Adorned in a bright, inflated green, yellow, and red costume, this unusual sighting breaks the monotony of typical woodland creatures, offering a bizarre twist to what one might expect from a trail cam. Boar and raccoon nighttime clash. The ferocious boar asserting dominance over a defiant raccoon. With its imposing size, the swine takes the upper hand, yet the smaller badger fights back with surprising vigor. Nighttime dance of the woodland deer. Nightfall in the woodlands, and a trail cam captures three deers in a dance of sorts. One grazes gracefully, embodying the calm of the forest. Another, whose attention is piqued, is startled by their companion's sudden movement. This third deer, in a display reminiscent of a tipsy reveler, leaps sideways, possibly spooked or just playful. Sky-high eagle drama. This trail cam captures a spectacular mid-air skirmish between two eagles over a snowy woodland landscape, locked in what seems like an intense territorial dispute. Meanwhile, two crows go about their business in the backdrop, indifferent to the high-stakes drama above. Crow's Eerie Woodland Ballet. This is a scene straight out of a spooky tale, a murder of crows weaving through woodland twilight. Their collective dark hues paint an eerie, cinematic atmosphere. Ravens, with their intelligence rivaling that of humans, often spark legends and lore. Owl's midnight surprise. This rare encounter, more amusing than alarming, sparks curiosity. Owls, known for their silent flight and keen hunting skills, typically prey on smaller creatures. Yet, here's one boldly challenging a buck. Or boarback raccoon adventure. A fearless raccoon riding a boar near a corn feeder. This scene is a playful display of mink's adaptability to socializing with other animals. Often seen as solitary foragers, badgers can also be quite social opportunists. This trail cam reveals a raccoon party in full swing under a mysterious structure supported by 4 black metallic rods. 6 martens are in various states of revelry, some snooze contentedly while others busily finish up their scavenge feast.